Afternoon. This is a day in Florida. This is the mine project. It's a 2004 Cobia 21-4. Just one owner. Now I'm the second one, of course. The last owner said that it was at the water for 2 years without running because the engine problem. Look at the bottom of the boat. It's in very bad condition. A lot of marine stuff and something like that. Look at that. I have a lot of work to do. I just scratched a little bit, but it's hard to take it off. I have to figure out how can I do that. The trailer as well. This is a very bad condition. I have no idea about the brand of the trailer, but I'm not gonna fix the trailer. I'm gonna try to buy a used one or new, depending on the prices. You see the axles, very bad, rusty, tires, everything is bad. This is the other side of the boat. Road is nice, smooth, just a few scratches as you can see. This is dirty. So this is the bottom of this side. You can and in the back of the boat we have this Yamaha 150. I'm not gonna fix because the owner said the last owner said that is a one piston crack, something like that. Well, let me know in the comment if you think it's a good idea to fix it or not. Depend, because this is the numbers of the motor. Okay. Okay, I'm in the boat now. See, there's a little door over here. Look at the just one seat that they have. This is the back of the seat. They move back and forth, and that's a light wheel. It's a big, a light wheel. I like it, and it's not bad at all. I have to just clean it. That's the battery and oil tank, motor, battery. This is the fishing plus another battery. The last one I put 2 battery on there. Okay, see the condition of the boat is not good. I have to fix it right here, a hole, another hole over there. Okay, that's the center console. Okay. Let's show you inside. Very dirty and mess of cables. Mess of cables. I think I have to peel all the cable out. That's the front of the center console. There's a seat plus a little cooler with water. That's the this is the bottom of the boat. You can put a lot of stuff here. Have to clean as well. It's very dirty. You have very room inside here. And to be efficient, very big. Nice. This is the anchor, very big. Okay, so this is broke. Okay, that's all the video. Thank you for watching, and follow me, subscribe, and just turn up if you like it, because more video coming soon. Thank you.